Hello, so today I'm going to show you my new fridge. It's pretty cool, right? I'm around this height, so it's definitely taller than me. Open it. It's pretty weak. So you have to push you and open. Okay. Ooh, it's freezing in here, dude. It's LG, pretty cool, huh? I see a little light bulb there. Here, you can open it. Keeps cold stuff. This is the coolest part. That's too short to look at it. Okay, so just turn this thing first so you can just throw out the ice. Same too. So this is the ice, please. It's really cool. There's some stickers. Stickers. Everywhere there's stickers. This is my favorite. Cute, huh? Okay, they're all safety glass. It's so cool. And I really like this storage. It's so... There's a sound. Feels stop. Awesome, huh? This is... You can control the temperature and all that. How do you off? Don't laugh. I needed a map. Don't laugh. So this can keep all the container items. This is for the meat and all that. And this is for the container This is the coolest part. Me and my brother don't know what to do with this. Oh. It's a game. You can open it. It's closed. It doesn't work. No, you have to open it. See, it doesn't work. Anyway, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's for the vegetables. I hate vegetables. So, yeah, this thing is on the outside of it. Yeah, we just came back. That's cool, whatever.
There's something.
Cool, right? I hate vegetables. Look at the meat. What else like this? Wait, move it. I want to videotape it. This is, I don't know what this does. Some vegetables good in there. Even meat good in there. Meat it is. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna close now. Good night, everybody. And one more peek at my favorite.